welcome back. Today we are going to learn the one way of formatting the entire sheet, table format. Table format is what? Where we can actually at one go format our entire thing. So far how we have formatted? We have selected the heading, then we have gone and selected individual styles, sizes, font, and then bold or something out of our choice. But now we will be learning two things. One is filter and one is formatting at one go. So how do we do? If you remember, the cell style was here. So I could select the cell styles, right? As per the style I could change it, correct? Here just beside the cell style, on the left side of the cell style actually, you will have a format as table, and this format as table has to be selected. So what is my cell range? Range of cell is this, right? A1 to C7. So I'll select that. I'll go to just left side of cell styles, that is format as table. Right click on the arrow, there will be multiple formats. You can select any of your choice. Probably let me select this. Okay, my table has headers. Actually, if you see, right, item name, price, these are nothing but headers. So you need to select, check this if you have headers, and if in case you do not have any headers, you can unselect it. Now see, it is showing you that range also, A1 to C7. Now okay, do you see? It has applied the formula. Sorry, it has applied the format of the table. Since we have externally applied all this, that is the reason it did not try to apply here, but we can actually we can adjust this and we can have it. Here you will be able to, it's actually the tab of table. You can directly go to table also and you can do that. But see, now what we wanted to do, we wanted to format it everything. But since we have applied some external formatting, so it is not applying to those places, correct? So what I am going to do home, there will be clear. If you just go to clear, see, in the where you will be finding the cell styles and format as table, then you will find insert delete format. Almost to the right side of your screen, you will be finding auto sum, fill and clear. So what you need to do, you need to clear it. Go to clear and clear formats. First we will be clearing the formats. The arrows we will discuss in some time. Now what we are going to do? We are going to select the cell range. Now I am going to apply the format as table. See, it has, at one go, it has applied a nice formatting, isn't it? So now I am going to go to the next. It is customers. The same thing. I will have to select the range. I will be going to clear and clear formats. Now it is clear. Now I am going to apply a format as table. So where will I go? Just to the left side of the cell styles. Click on format. There will be n number of nice formats. I'll be selecting this. It's up to you what you want to select. So I'll be selecting this and see. Finally, there is another sheet, total, and here also I am going to do the same. Go to format. Try to select different formats so that you also have the color coding in your mind. So now every sheet is having a table format. See, there are two ways to do that. You go to home and you will find format as table. You go to table tab and you will directly find them. It's up to you where you want to go. Now we will learn another important thing. It's called filter. Okay. So filter is what? Filter, if you see, when you apply some formatting from table, you will be seeing a drop down kind of, see the uh, uh, ulta triangle, to the downside triangle, kind of down arrow, it will be showing to the right side of each cell of the heading. Okay, this is nothing but the symbol of filter. What is filter and how am I going to do? Think of it. See, I have Ram who has bought some items. Okay, so initially what I saw, that Ram has bought this many items and I added them. But I am not very sure if Ram has bought some other item which is, hidden somewhere else, right? So what am I going to do? There will be filter condition. So if you go to customer, Ram is customer, and here you will be finding select all, unselected, and select only Ram. If you are going to select only Ram, you will be finding the every, entry of Ram. And do you see? See, I forgot to calculate the watermelon that he bought. Why I forgot to calculate? Because it was somewhere down. See, in the 13th columns it was, and I forgot. So what am I going to do? I'll have to apply the formula for 3 watermelons also he bought, right? So I'll be going there, I'll be getting this, and then I'll go here, and it is the formula. So Ram's entire thing has got the calculation, right? Done. Correct? Now what I need to do? I need to add all of this. Correct? Because here if you see, the total is also wrong. Why? Because I forgot to calculate the watermelon for Ram. So what am I going to do? Sum. Now I'll be selecting this range. No, it is wrong. So what I'll going to do? I'll be actually individually I'll have to select, because otherwise it is going to select the range. This range is not going to work. Why? Because Ram has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that in 13, right? So what I'll do? I'll be selecting each. And this. See, this is what Ram has bought. So individually the same way I can apply the filter on the next customer, probably Sam. Okay. So Sam has also 2 items where I forgot to add, calculate for orange. So what do? I'll be applying the formula the same way, product, and then the price of orange, and then I'll go to the kg and done. So now the Sam's formula is also going to be the same, equal to sum, and I have to select, because it is not falling under range. It is 1, 6 and the other one is in 14. 6 and 14 is nothing but the column numbers I'm referring to. Okay. Now I'll be saying, okay, what else? What is the other customer? There are 4 customers, right? And what I did, I just have total for 3 customers. Okay, Priya I forgot also to calculate. So I'll be going, I'll be again selecting unselect all, Priya. I'm going a bit faster because of the timelines in YouTube, but you need to, check it in slow motion. No worries. So customers, again here also I forgot the same. Pineapple I forgot to calculate, so it will be the same. Product, every time I'm repeating means you have to practice it. Okay, so you can pause the video and repeat to see. 100. So I have to calculate for Priya. So it is equal to sum and then select all. It's, see, I'm entering comma also. Try to understand, okay? Do not enter, just keep, once you select, press comma. Once you select, press comma, and then this. and then put a closing bracket. Shift 0 is the closing bracket. You need to put the closing bracket there. So this is what. So I have 3 customers here, but here I need to ensure that all customers are added. So there are 4 customers here, right, in the filter. So who is missing? Tina. So I will be applying to Tina, and I will have to see, oh, Tina also bought 3 kgs of mango, which I actually missed. So do you see how Excel can help a customer here? I'm sorry, I forgot mango. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do for Tina, I'm going to do the same. Equal to sum. For sum, Tina, you just need to select only this cell because it's nothing. Okay. And do you see, every time I'm going to enter anything, it is going to take the format. See, gray, white, gray, white, gray, white. It is always going to take those. So do you understand? Now suppose Ram suddenly comes up in the queue and asks, can you please let me know what is the total I have to pay for. So you can, maybe there are hundreds of customers. You just select Ram and you can actually see, okay, he has to pay 1560 rupees, and you can easily do. It is basically very much applicable to banks. If you go to bank and they ask, okay, what is your account number? So here thousands of accounts will be there, correct? So what they do, when I give the account number, it applies to the filter. When it applies to the filter, which pops up? My account detail pops up after giving the account number. Hopefully you could understand this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us move to the next video.